Hey guys, welcome back to Tenorshare. Is your iPhone locked out after too many incorrect passcode attempts and you can't access your device anymore? Whether your iPhone shows iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or you simply forgot your passcode, getting back into your device can be frustrating. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset a locked iPhone on iOS 27 and explain the available solutions to help you regain access to your device. Let's get started. Before showing you the solutions, let's quickly explain why a factory reset is required when your iPhone is locked out. Your iPhone uses a passcode security system and encryption technology to protect your personal information. After too many incorrect passcode attempts, iOS activates security protections and prevents further access to the device. In most locked out situations, Apple does not provide a way to remove the lock screen passcode while keeping the existing data. The available solution is to erase the iPhone and reinstall iOS. Now, let's look at 3 ways to factory reset your locked iPhone on iOS 27. The first method is Apple's built-in solution available on newer iOS versions, including iOS 27. If your iPhone displays the Forgot Passcode option on the lock screen, you may be able to erase your device directly. First, tap Forgot Passcode on the lock screen. Then choose the option to start the iPhone reset process. You'll need to enter the password for the Apple account associated with this device. After verification, your iPhone will be erased and restored to factory settings. You may also have the option to keep or erase your eSIM. Keeping the eSIM can help your iPhone reconnect to cellular service after the reset. Once the process is complete, you can set up your iPhone again and create a new passcode. However, this method has some limitations. It requires access to the Apple account linked to the device, and the Forgot Passcode option may not appear on every locked iPhone. If you cannot use this option, try the next method. The second official method is using recovery mode. If your iPhone is not accessible, recovery mode allows your iPhone to communicate with Finder or iTunes. To begin, connect your iPhone to a computer. Then press the volume up button, press the volume down button, and hold down the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. In iOS 27, you'll first be taken to the Restore Your iPhone screen. Then select recovery mode and restart the device. On your computer, open Finder or iTunes. Your iPhone will be detected in recovery mode. Choose Restore to download the latest iOS firmware and reinstall the system. During this process, the firmware package will erase your device and install a clean version of iOS. After the restore is completed, your iPhone will restart and you can go through the setup process again. However, if Find My is enabled on your iPhone, you may need to enter the original Apple account credentials to activate the device after resetting it. For some users, using iTunes and Finder can lead to firmware errors, connection issues, or interrupted downloads. If you're looking for a more reliable way to reset a locked iPhone, the following method might help you. If you forgot your iPhone lock screen passcode or iTunes isn't working properly, you can try using 4UKey. 4UKey is designed to help remove screen locks and reset locked iPhone devices with a simpler step-by-step process. You can find the download link in the description below. Then connect your locked iPhone to computer. Open 4UKey and select Unlock iOS screen. The program will guide you into recovery mode. After your device is detected, 4UKey will download the matching iOS firmware package. Once the firmware is ready, start the removal process. 4UKey will erase the device and reinstall iOS, allowing you to set up your iPhone again with a new passcode. Compared with manually using Finder or iTunes, 4UKey provides a more guided process, especially for users who are not familiar with Apple recovery tools. Please remember that resetting a locked iPhone will erase all data stored on the device. That's how you can factory reset your iPhone when you are locked out on iOS 27. If you want a simpler way to repair your locked iPhone, check out 4UKey through the link below. If you have any questions, leave a comment and let us know your iPhone model. Don't forget to subscribe to Tenorshare for more iPhone tips and solutions. See you next time.